COVID-19 has changed the lives of millions, but those with mental health struggles have found it especially hard to adapt. On top of their already fractured mental health, COVID has caused even more health, social, and financial issues for these people. However, mental health has been overlooked compared to other issues caused directly by COVID, as issues like education disparities and unemployment already have developed effective solutions. Shockingly, health officials in the Bay Area have reported more deaths from suicide than COVID itself during the quarantine. Thus, enter SuiSense. To address this, we developed SuiSense, a progressive web application that allows concerned friends and family to determine whether their struggling loved one is on the path to suicide and provides them with personalized support. Humans struggle to accurately recognize depressed versus suicidal tendencies, which has important implications on treatment. Luckily, through SuiSense, AI and natural language processing can. Let's get started.
The first step in our process is the initial analysis, which uses natural language processing to classify a phrase as depressive or suicidal. Determining between these is incredibly difficult, but it is key for proper treatment. SuiSense is made for friends and family of struggling individuals who are most likely to reveal their thoughts within close relationships. These people can input text from their memory, messaging conversations, screenshots powered by an OCR, and more. Furthermore, determining how much a patient has changed over time can provide meaningful insights into their mental state, which can improve and personalize their diagnosis. Users upload text from before and after they notice behavioral changes, and our algorithm outputs the exact difference. Our Keras models are Python neural networks that use Google's BERT transformer for text embeddings. They are trained on thousands of labeled social media posts and refine these labels with unsupervised learning. These are deployed on a Flask backend.
After baseline and past classification are complete, users can use a progression model to determine which stage of depression a patient is on. Jesse Bering outlines a standard for 6 stages on the path from depression to suicide, and our model accurately assesses what stage a patient is at, allowing for more in-depth analysis and diagnosis. There is no research in stage-based depression analysis despite its demand, and our novel solution directly addresses this critical gap.
Additionally, we have a questionnaire-based analysis adapted from Byrne's depression checklist, which allows for more flexible and holistic analysis. Our AI successfully screens individuals, but they will eventually need professional support. SuiSense allows a suicidal patient to easily get personalized pairings with therapists, powered by our Flask backend. We also have local therapists and support centers visualized on a map.
We believe the most effective way to create a useful solution is to implement our target audience's input. We first reached out to Dr. Marcial, former president of the California Psychologists Association, and as our consultant, he has helped our solution address real problems therapists and families face. Our advisor, Dr. Rube Simon, a licensed Bay Area psychologist, has supported our solution and is helping us market it with therapists. We also partnered with Kappa and the MHI, 2 local nonprofits working to improve mental health and raise awareness, through whom we have already begun implementing our solution. SuiSense addresses pressing mental health issues that impact millions in the Bay Area, especially during COVID-19, and we have already begun implementing our solution to maximize our community impact. Thank you for listening.